Morning students, welcome to 10th standard algebra lesson number 6 statistics module 4. Let's recall what we studied in the previous module. The measures of central tendency, namely mean and median. Then to find the mean by direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. And the second one, to find the median for the grouped frequency distribution table. Now we will be learning the next measures of central tendency, namely mode. The mode means the score repeating maximum number of times in a data is called the mode of the data. Mode for ungrouped data. The example 1, find the mode of the scores 35 40, 45 35, 38 40, 35 50, 35 43. In this data, the score repeating maximum number of times is 35. Therefore, the mode of the score is equal 35. Mode for grouped frequency distribution. That is, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. In the above formula, L equal to lower class limit of the model class and F1 is the frequency of the model class, F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class and H is the class interval of the model class. Practice set 6.3 question 1. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center and the content of fat in the milk measured by the lactometer. Find the mode of fat content. Here in this question, the content of the fat is taken as the class and milk collected is taken as the frequency. Solution. First we have to make the table and first column is the class, second one is the frequency. That is the class 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. The class is continuous class and frequency is the first one is 30, second one 70 and third one 80 and fourth one is 60 and fifth one is 20. Then first here the maximum frequency is 80 is in the class 4 to 5. Therefore, the model class is 4 to 5 and the maximum frequency is taken as F1. And what is F0? The frequency of the class preceding the model class is F0 and the frequency of the class succeeding the model class is F2, that is 60. Here the maximum frequency is 80. Therefore the model class is 4 to 5. L equals lower limit of the model class is equal 4. H is the class interval of the model class equal to 1 and F1 is the frequency of the model class equal 80. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class equal to 70 and F2 is equals the frequency of the class succeeding the model class equal 60. Equation for mode equal L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substituting all values, 4 plus 80 minus 70 upon 2 into 80 minus 70 minus 60 into 1. That is equal 4 plus 10 upon 160 minus 130 equal 4 plus 10 upon 30, that is equal 4 plus 0.33, that is equal 4.33. Therefore, the mode of the fat content is 4.33%. Question number 2. The electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode of use of electricity. In this question also, the class and frequency are given. Then solution, we have to make the table, that is the two columns are needed, class and frequency. Here the maximum frequency is 100, is in the class 60 to 80. Therefore, the model class is 60 to 80. Then the frequency, maximum frequency is 100, is taken as F1, and the frequency of the class preceding the model class is 70, that is F0, and F2 is the class succeeding the model class is 80, that is F2. Here the maximum frequency is 100. Therefore, the model class is 60 to 80. Therefore, L is equal to lower class limit of the model class equal to 60, and H is equal to the class interval of the model class equal to 20. F1 is equal to 100 and F0 equal to 70 and F2 is equal to 80. Therefore, mode is equal L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Then equal 60 plus 100 minus 70 upon 2 into 100 minus 70 minus 80 into 20. That is equal 60 plus 30 upon 200 minus 150 into 20. That is equal 60 plus 12 is equal to 72. Therefore, the mode for the use of electricity is 72 units. Question 3. The grouped frequency distribution of supply of milk to hotels and the number of hotels is given in the following table. Find the mode of the supply of milk. In this question, the first column is the milk in liters and number of hotels as the class and frequency are given. Then solution, we have to make the table with the two columns. The first column is the class and second one is the frequency. The first column 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11 and 11 to 13. Second column frequency 7, 5, 15, 20, 35 and 18. In this table, here the maximum frequency is 35, is in the class 9 to 11. Therefore, the model class is 9 to 11. And the maximum frequency F1 is equal to 35. And the preceding the model class, the frequency preceding the model class F0 is equal to 20. And the frequency succeeding the model class F2 is equal to 18. Here the maximum frequency is 35. Therefore, the model class is 9 to 11 and L is equal lower class limit of the model class is equal 9. H is equal class interval of the model class is equal to 2. F1 is the frequency of the model class equals 35 and F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class is 20 and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class equal 18. Therefore, mode equal L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. That is equal 9 plus 35 minus 20 upon 2 into 35 minus 20 minus 18 into 2. Therefore, it is equal 9 plus 15 upon 70 minus 38 into 2. That is equal 9 plus 0.9375. That is equal 9.9375. That is equal the approximate value 9.94. Therefore, the mode of the supply of the milk is 9.94 liters. Question 4. The following frequency distribution table gives the age of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Find the mode of the age of the patients. In this question also, the class and frequency are given, but the classes are non-continuous class. Therefore, you have to change it into the continuous class. And solution, we have to make the table. We needed the 3 columns in this table. The first column is the class, what is given in the question. Second one is the continuous class, and third one is the frequency. In the class, the first column, the class less than 5 means you have to take it as 0 to 4 because age cannot be negative. And continuous class means 0 only, 0 to 4.5. Second one 4.5 to 9.5 and 9.5 to 14.5, 14.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 24.5, 24.5 to 29.5. And the corresponding frequencies 38, 32, 50, 36, 24 and 20. In this column, here the maximum frequency is 50, is in the class 9.5 to 14.5. Therefore, the model class is 9.5 to 14.5. And the maximum frequency F1 is equal to 50. And the frequency preceding the model class is F0 is 32. And the frequency succeeding the model class is F2 is equal to 36. Here the maximum frequency is 50. The model class is 9.5 to 14.5. L equal lower class limit of the model class is equals 9.5. H equal class interval of the model class equal to 5. And F1 equal frequency of the model class equal to 50. And F0 equal frequency of the class preceding the model class is 32. And F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class equal 36. Therefore, mode equal L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. That is equal 9.5 plus 50 minus 32 upon 2 into 50 minus 32 minus 36 into 5. That is equal 9.5 plus 18 upon 100 minus 68 into 5. That is equal 9.5 plus 2.8125. That is equal 12.3125. It is approximate equal 12.31. Therefore, the mode of the age of the patients is 12.31 years. Question 4 practice. Question 1. Find the mode of the following data. In this table, the class and frequency are given. Thank you. To be continued.